You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this phrase when you meet somebody you don't know and you want to ask for his or her name? What's your name? What is the contraction of what is. So alternatively, you could say, what is your name? That would be just as correct. But the most commonly used phrase is, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.